I have to say my faith. I have to say my faith, and where, not even just my faith and where I am currently today, but where my faith has brought me up until today. So I can literally look back at my life and see where I have had traumatic times, like difficult, high intense times where I was just looking crazy and like, okay, how am I going to make it out of this situation? And that kind of propelled me to the next thing. And that next thing was actually a good thing. And I learned a lot from it. And it was a blessing and it was triumph there. But then I propelled into another like deep, traumatic thing. So life, that's a part of life. Like things keep happening. One thing's for sure is that change is going to happen in life. And we don't get to decide what that change is, or else we would be making it good for us all the time,
Yes.
right? One thing I do know too is when you apply pressure to a situation or to your, like with life, when it applies pressure, like you get sharpened for me, right? Like
Mm-hmm.
I get sharpened, and I know that it's, like I said, because of my faith, and then my community. I got a squad that I'm like, they like, look, sis, what you need, like what you need, how you need us to flow. And then on those days where I'm low, they're building me up. And then on days that they're low, I'm building them up. And so making sure that I keep what I'm listening to, what I'm watching, like I'm not pouring into myself negativity. I'm pouring into myself positivity. That I'm looking for ways, even though I'm out of work, my business is shut down, I'm looking for ways to bless people. I'm looking for ways to, propel to the next thing, because this ain't gonna last always.
That's true.
And so it's going to be, another triumphing time, even though, yes, people are hurting, people are losing their jobs. I am one of those people that, I'm down, but I'm also in another mindset of what's to come. What is to come? Like I know that I won't be here for forever, so I might as well prepare. One thing
Right.
that we got right now, we got time.
That's true.
And a lot of people have been so busy, they get on this cycle, and they're like, I want to learn a new skill. I don't like my job. I don't like the situation that I'm in. I don't like my financial situation. Well, now it's like, now is the time. You got time. Things have kind of slowed down for you to kind of sit and say, okay, what do I need to do on the flip side of this? Another thing to look at is, what else can I do? So I do nails, but what else can I do? Okay, I can
Mm-hmm.
do encouragement. I can show up on social media with encouragement. Okay, I don't have any clients, but I have tools. I can ship those tools out and get them to my community so that
Right.
they can have hand and foot care. Show up with what you do have, as opposed to focusing on what you don't. And I think that is the difference between those who get to where they are purposed to get to, and then those who stop and those who quit.